Founded in 1976, Taitien Electronics specializes in quartz frequency control components. Our main products include crystal, oscillator, VCXO, and TCXO. We are proud to be the first in Taiwan with OCXO technology, offering a complete product line for one-stop shopping. Quartz oscillators are essential in many applications, including wearable devices, data centers, Wi-Fi systems, switches, hubs, base stations, and satellite communications. Let's explore the R&D, manufacturing, and quality assurance processes behind our frequency control products. With the explosive growth of AI, the reshaping of cloud data centers, and the development of high-speed 5G per 6G networks, advanced timing solutions are essential for ensuring performance, fault tolerance, and reliability. High bandwidth and low latency infrastructure applications require precise timing capabilities to maintain stable network connections. These technologies need robust and reliable quartz frequency control components when deployed at the edge and beyond. Taitien engineers use advanced design software for product development and employ various testing equipment, such as phase noise, phase jitter, spectrum analyzers, G-sensitivity, and continuous temperature testers, to ensure high performance and reliability. Taitien holds numerous patents and is dedicated to R&D, investing in new technologies to meet the precise frequency control needs of the new and next generation. The manufacturing process of frequency-controlled products is mainly divided into front-end blank manufacturing and back-end product assembly. After blank cleaning, the quartz blank is inserted into a mask and placed in a vacuum-based plating chamber for evaporation coating with metal electrodes. The blank is then mounted in a ceramic base, and the frequency adjustment machine uses an ion gun to achieve the designed frequency. After midterm inspection, the base and the housing are sealed by seam welding. After seam sealing, further aging confirmation is conducted, followed by frequency testing and inspection based on customer requirements. The Quality Control Department confirms the products before marking and packaging according to customer specifications or standard specifications. Since the thickness and angle of the blank are key factors determining the frequency and operating temperature range of the frequency-controlled product, the manufacturing and design capabilities of the blank significantly impact the quality, lead time, and cost control of the quartz oscillator. Taitien has accumulated nearly 50 years of production technology experience, mastering the techniques of front-end blank manufacturing and back-end product assembly, ensuring precision at every step. Taitien also integrates IoT for equipment, MES, and ERP information, establishing a production management war room to quickly understand the status of each work order, production line, and equipment operation, optimizing production line management and scheduling. Additionally, Taitien has established an initial production traceability mechanism, using statistical data to identify abnormal production conditions. When product defects occur, the collected historical information provides sufficient data for quality, manufacturing, and R&D personnel to conduct analysis and quickly adjust the production line. Our quality assurance measures cover high temperature and humidity storage, drop tests, mechanical shock tests, TCXO aging frequency measurements, vibration tests, thermal shock tests, mechanical stress tests, low temperature storage, solderability test, steam aging, salt spray testing, aging tests, and electrical specification tests, ensuring our products' high quality and reliability. Our frequency control products undergo stringent R&D, precise manufacturing, and thorough quality assurance processes to meet our customers' high standards. Our dedication to quality ensures that each product leaving our factory can withstand the test of time. For more information, please visit our website at www.taitien.com or contact us at sales@taitien.com. Thank you for watching.